Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jonathan.
And this is the Podcast Class Podcast,
where you'll be learning how to sign up for a podcast class, make a podcast, and share it with all of your friends right when we come back.
Hey, I'm Kevin. I'm the youth coordinator at ACMi.
And I'm Jonathan Barbado. I'm the production manager at ACMi, Arlington Community Media.
And on January 7th, Arlington Community Media will be hosting a 2-hour podcasting class at Studio A, 85 Park Avenue in Arlington.
And for those of you who are wondering what day of the week that is a Monday on the first full week of January when we come back to a new year. It's going to be a new year, new you, new podcast.
And I'm really excited about this because I've never done a podcast before. I don't know anything about how to make a podcast. Jonathan just hooked me up with a mic right now, and this is my first ever experience podcasting. So, Jonathan, what can I expect to learn in this class?
It's going to be a pretty comprehensive class. It's 2 hours, so we'll be moving fast. We'll be learning how to pick a topic for your show, how to find guests, how to pick the right microphone, what's the format of a show like, how do you come into a show, what's the body of the show, how you come out. And we'll finally be covering how to distribute your show to iTunes and other online platforms.
So how should people reach out to us to sign up for this?
If you're listening and you want to sign up for a podcast class and start your very own podcast, you should email us at production@acmi.tv, like television.
And is there any cost or anything for this?
No, it's completely free. ACMi, as you know, is a nonprofit media center, so we want to enable you who are listening to be able to create the best TV shows, the best music videos, the best podcast. Any way you can express yourself, we want to enable you to do that.
Well, it sounds like a lot of fun. I can't wait for this class. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope to see all of you in the new year.
Yeah, and even if you don't want to make a podcast, if you like free pizza, you should come because there will be free pizza.
Oh, wow. And I hear there's some pretty good pizza in Arlington that ACMi likes to order, so I'm looking forward to that.
There is. So if this is your first time, it's going to be great. And if you're coming back for one of our classes, you'll be familiar with it. But you should really come. It's a great way to share what you know and to build a following because all of you have great ideas. You know a lot of great people. You should really share what you're doing with the community of Arlington and the world.